Hello everybody, my name is Aman Singh and currently I am working with Lexus and Company as a legal intern. In this video, we will talk about new rules of social media, OTT and digital media in India. The government has announced new rules for social media platform, OTT players and digital media. They will regularize the use of abused popular online platform. Here is a simple breakdown of the new government of India. What are the new rules of social media, digital media and OTT? These rules were called the Information Technology Rules of 2021, apply not just to social media firms and intermediate, but they also apply digital media website. News website which have come up the last few years or online apply, and they also apply to OTT platform which over the rule like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, Alt, Balaji. Everyone is covered this new rule, which also include digital media ethics code. The government said that they have put these laws because they felt that there is some which is needed to social media company. This topic is doubtful worldwide, not just in India. The various countries are talking about different kind of regarding regulation with tech compliance. Government said that they have received a lot of complaint about women being harassed, their photo being shared, people being defamed on the internet, and nobody seems to be doing something about it. And that's why they have come up this code, and they want companies to self-regulate in order to ensure that users are not harmed. With regard to social media intermediaries, the rules are actually taking away some of the safe harbor that they typically enjoy under IT Act and holding that more of the content that is uploaded on the sites by their users. With regard to social media intermediaries, the rules are actually making a distinction between what is significant one and what is regular social media intermediary. The number which is decided will become a significant social media intermediary has not been yet decided by the government, but it is likely to be someone with more than 50 lakh users. That will mean that big players will cover under significant social media intermediary as part of the rules. The rules also call for social media intermediaries to have a grievance officer, a compliance officer, to have monthly report to show whether they have complained with some of the complaint that has been against them. It basically says that raise a issue if they feel that there is content which is against them, which is defamatory, and it basically says that social media intermediaries cannot host content which is raising questions about integrity of security of India, content which is sexually implied, content which harms women and children. All of that kind of content which is typically illegal cannot be hosted by them, and they needed to approximately make sure that this removed to make monthly report to show they actual doing what they say. Companies will also have to remove prohibited content in 36 hours receiving a notice from the government. Remember, this include content which is intending security of India, harming children, women, is racially and ethically objectionable, those with gambling, promoting money laundering. So many of that which is contrary to law of India, that content will have to remove within 36 hours of a notice from government. Companies will have to acknowledge this report of complaints with user in 24 hours. The grievance officer will have to ensure sometimes they about it and they are resolved 15 days. They will have to give the originator of a such message if and when they need arises from such issues. This means that WhatsApp might be required to break into end-to-end encryption, because end-to-end encryption means that nobody can read the content of the message. They don't even know who is sending what message to whom, and this poses the problem for the app. It has 500 million users in India, and it is still very popular despite the uproar over privacy policy. We will have to see how WhatsApp adapt to these new rules and what it will mean of other end-to-end encryption app like Signal.